Hi Achara, it's Misha Alana o Let's Learn Irish, and today we are going to be learning how you can talk about the days of the week in Irish. The days of the week are as follows: Monday, Gach Luan; Tuesday, Gach Máirt; Wednesday, Gach Céadaoin; Thursday, Gach Déardaoin; Friday, Gach Aoine; Saturday, Gach Satharn; Sunday, Gach Domhnach. If we'd like to talk about things that happen repeatedly during the week, we can say on before the weekday. On Luain. On Máirt. On Céadaoin. On Déardaoin. On hAoine. On Sathairn. On Domhnach. To say every Monday, we can say Gach Luan. Gach Luan. Gach Máirt. Gach Céadaoin. Gach Déardaoin. Gach Aoine. Gach Satharn. Gach Domhnach. A few examples of all of this are: Bíonn ag obair on Sathairn. I work on Saturdays. Glaoigh Dé Céadaoin. Call me on Wednesday. Inniu Gach Luan. Today is Monday. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short lesson. For more articles and information, please be sure to join our online platform and online Irish community at letslearnirish.com. By fáilte